Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a super cute Dollar Tree Christmas tree crate. So I grabbed one of these little crates from Dollar Tree. They're just little wooden crates, some fiberfill, a couple of mini Christmas trees, one of the Dollar Tree calendars. We're going to use one of the back designs. I saved the cardboard that came with the calendar and some brown wax. So the first thing we're going to do is use the brown wax and stain our whole crate inside and out. Once I have the crate all stained, I let it dry, and then I'm going to take the calendar and I'm going to cut the design off of the back that I want. So I'm just going to use this Farm Fresh Christmas trees. So I'm just going to cut that out. Once I have it all cut out, I'm going to take my cardboard and lay it on the cardboard and then cut the cardboard to the size of the design. I'm doing this so that it's a little more sturdy. If I put just the calendar picture on the crate, it would most likely fall through the slats of the crate, and this will allow it so it doesn't do that. So I'm just going to lay it on there and trim it up, and then I'm going to Mod Podge that right onto the cardboard. Once I have it all trimmed up, I'm going to hot glue that right onto the front of my crate. Now that that's attached, I'm going to take my fiberfill and I'm going to put that inside of the crate. And this is going to be our quote-unquote snow. And then I'm going to add my little trees. And that is it for this project. This was so easy, so cute, and would look adorable sitting on a shelf or in your tiered tray. I made one with apples for fall, and I'm sure that I'll find something to do with it for the Valentine's Day that's coming up, and maybe even some Easter eggs for Easter. These little crates are absolutely adorable and have so many different uses. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to make one, and as always, please don't forget to spread the chaos.